1 lauter ton ring flushing pipe. When cleaning the grain in the filter, the cleaning ball is generally used. Since the cleaning ball is arranged eccentrically in the filter, the process of washing the grain affects the filtration speed and filtration quality. After changing to a ring flushing pipe, the distiller's grains can be washed evenly. Increased filtration speed and quality of filtered wort. 2. Wort collection pipe of lauter tank and backwash pipe of sieve plate. Evenly distributed wort collection ports and collection tubes at the bottom of the lauter. Reduce wort short circuit caused by uneven parts of the wort filter. Make the wort filter evenly and improve the filtering effect. Evenly distributed sieve plates at the bottom of the filter tank and the flushing pipeline can evenly flush the filter screen. Reduce bacterial pollution, improve the use effect of the filter tank, and ensure the quality of the filtered wort.